Hi loves, hi my darlings, it's lvluxegirl. Today I have an unboxing or an unbagging of the Coach Edge Signature Backpack. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to like and comment on this video, as well as hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started. I actually have two backpacks right here, but I'm only gonna unbox one of them. So I have this lovely signature Coach backpack right here, and actually I have two of them. One is mine and one is for my boo thing. So hey honey, he watches my videos, so you know, I'll be unboxing one, but I'm not going to unbox his. He can do his own, so I'm just going to put that one to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox mine because I've really been back into the signature canvas for some reason. You guys know recently I ordered these Hallie slides right here, and I've been enjoying wearing them, and as you can see, they're gonna go with my new backpack. And then I ordered the gym shoes for my honey, and he's gonna be able to wear his backpack with the gym shoes. And also I'm loving the signature on my Coach penny. So I've really lately been back into the monogram of the signature monogram, the Coach signature monogram. So I wanted a few more pieces to, you know, to go with, and my Hallie slides, and to go with my collection. So this Edge signature backpack was just a must-have. I had to order it when I saw it on the website, and the website lately has just had such great sales on the Coach website. So this is what it looks like with the strap. I just took the wrapping off the strap, and this is a unisex backpack. It's for men and for women. It's going to be great for me, it's going to be great for him. The quality on this, even the canvas is nice, strong, durable quality, and the leather, the soft leather on the sides and on the strap is very, very nice and very, very quality, you guys. So let me go ahead and take off some more, try to get off some more of this wrapping so we can enjoy this beauty on camera. And I have a pretty nice, that I like, collection of Coach backpacks. I'll go ahead and link that video down below, so you guys can take a look at some of my other Coach backpacks. But I'm really enjoying this one, you guys. This is going to be so nice to wear, and you know, I'll be able to wear it in the summer and in the fall. So pretty. The details on this backpack, this, as I'm unwrapping her, I'm just enjoying her even more and more and falling in love. I should, you know, her, him. She's a unisex backpack, and I love the line of the Edge, the signature Edge Coach, and some of the other lines like the Bright collection. Some of them have this C on them, and some of the other lines by Coach. I remember when I first saw them come out with that C, I was like, I wasn't a fan right away of it. I had to get used to it. It had to grow on me. I was like, do I like it? Do I not like it? And I guess now I've kind of fallen for it, and I'm liking it and enjoying it, you guys. So what I like about this backpack is, let me show you guys. The back of it right here, you can put the strap for the backpack on either side, on the right D-ring or on the left D-ring, depending on which side you want to carry it. If you want to sling it over this way, or if you want to sling it over the other way. So I like that a lot. And I'm really liking it. It's looking nice. It's going to be able to carry a lot of my items, my pouches, when I want to be hands-free. Like when I go to the Black Woman Expo in Chicago, or any other events in the Midwest, you know, any type of event, I'll be able to just use this crossbody. I won't have to, you know, because when you go to an event and there's vendors there, and you're looking at different hair care products, or you're looking at beauty items, or whatever you're looking at, if you're grocery shopping, if you go to an amusement park, if you go to a carnival, you want to be hands-free. And this backpack is going to come so in handy for me to be hands-free. It's going to come so in handy for me to be hands-free. And I do have others, like I said, in my collection that I love. This is another one of my favorites. that I love when I want to be hands-free, and this is in the Midnight Indigo. I purchased this one for the color. This was a while ago. I've had this backpack a long time. But when I purchased it initially, I purchased it because I fell in love with the color, and I have been able to wear this backpack to all different types of carnivals and events, and when we were open, not now. Now when things closed down over the past year for the pandemic, things slowed down, and now things are opening up, but who knows how this is all going to go, right? But yeah, I still really love this for days out, you guys. This is another one of mine that I love for days out. And then this is another one of my backpacks that I love, that's smaller when I want to just be hands-free, and it's Coach. And when I want to just, not carry a bag with me, I really enjoy this one. And Mr. lvluxegirl, I showed you guys in my prior video, he has this in the larger version as well. So he has the larger version, and we're twinning on this one. And now we'll be twinning on this one as well. We'll both be able to twin. And sometimes we won't wear the same one all the time together, but that's an option if we want to. And I'm going to be able to rock this beauty. I'm really going to enjoy rocking and wearing this beauty. So yeah, you guys, let me go ahead and take that tag off. I will really enjoy this beauty. She's going to be another one in my collection that I'm really going to enjoy wearing. Another Coach Edge signature backpack and signature canvas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will come back to do a what fits in this bag, as well as show you how I style it. So I will be back to do more videos on this lovely backpack, but for now, I just wanted to do the unboxing or the unbagging with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to go ahead and check out my other videos on Coach on my channel, as well as check out the video that I'm going to link for you guys down below on my Coach backpacks, and I'll see you soon in another video.